Hi everyone, we're gonna do a summer bronzy makeup look today on my model here, Viviana. I've done her eyes already using Beige Cosmetics Zodiac palette, and now I'm just adding True Match Highlight Liquid Glow Illuminator by L'Oreal, and I'm just gonna blend that in all over the face. And then I'm gonna use Becca Cosmetics Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. Mine is in the shade Beige. It's a little bit darker than her skin, but this is what we want because we want to add a little bit of color. After using the S19 products from Influencer VoxBox that I've received, and next I'm gonna use my concealer, which is from Becca as well. It's the Aqua Luminous concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm gonna create a highlighting effect, so I'm applying it under her inner corner of the eyes and just lift that up a little bit and under the outer corner of her eyes. Now I'm gonna just blend that. Okay, now for contouring, I have used the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette.
Dripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. You got me so wild, I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. You got me so wild. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. Dripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. Dripping like gold. You got me so wild. Dripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
Așa, uite-te un pic mai așa.
Dripping like gold. You got me so wild. Dripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. You got me so wild, I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. You got me so wild. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. Dripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. Dripping like gold.
Okay, so here we have Super FX body makeup. It's from S19 and the shade is medium. She was very pale, so we want to achieve a summer bronze look. And I'm gonna just add a little bit of the product all over her chest using my Kiko brush, and then I'm gonna blend that all over. This is the S19 brush. It's so amazing for body. It's the most amazing brush that I ever had. You can check it out in Boots. They have it for sale in there. Actually, and the scent of this product, it's amazing. It's actually reminds me of a sunscreen protection. I don't know why. It smells like coconut. It says that it has vitamin E, but to me it just smells like coconut. It's so nice. You have to check out this product. And it blends really well. The skin literally absorbed the product so well. There are no patches, nothing. It's all blended so smoothly and so nice. It's just amazing. The look is now complete. The product is also waterproof. That means that for the ladies down there that they like to wear makeup on the beach, then I can highly recommend you to purchase Super FX body makeup by S19 Lab. You can find them on Instagram. You can find the product in Boots. To finish up the look, I've just done some curls and spray them so they can last the whole day. And this is our summer bronzy makeup look on Viviana here. She has amazing skin and hair as well. Her hair is a soft blonde balayage. And also, if you liked the look, you can subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram, Anika Beauty, Anika B111 on TikTok. And I'll see you on my next video.